In this Hosting Your Website Builder tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through building a website from start to finish. You'll see how to access professional pre-designed templates with the Hosting Your Website Builder, or use the AI Site Creator to build your site quickly from scratch. I'll also show you how to edit your site with the drag and drop editor so you can easily create a professional looking website hosting your web hosting. I'll also be providing you with a Hostinger discount so you can save money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase. You'll save even more money than the Hostinger discount you see being listed here. Plus, you get a free domain name on annual plans. Let's get started with the Hosting Your Website Builder tutorial, going over how to build a website with Hostinger. The first thing you want to do to get started in building your website with Hostinger is to click the link in the description below to visit Hostinger so you can take advantage of getting a Hostinger discount. Make sure you copy the Hostinger promo code I've included next to the link in the description. It saves you more money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus gets you a free domain name. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger page. Click the Start Now button to be taken to the Hostinger plan section on the page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup plan. Something to keep in mind is that the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support, global data centers, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Hostinger's premium web hosting plan packs serious value. You get hosting for up to 25 websites with 25 gigabytes of fast SSD storage, plus 50 free email accounts for the first year, 2 mailboxes free for the first year. It also includes a free domain name with annual billing, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, a built-in AI website builder, and fully managed WordPress hosting. When using the Hosting Your Website Builder, this plan doesn't let you accept payments, so you'll need to get the Business Web Hosting plan if you plan on having an online store. Hostinger's Business Web Hosting plan includes everything from the Premium plan. AI tools included with this plan are the AI Website Builder, AI Image Generator, AI Writer, AI Blog Generator, and AI SEO tools. You get hosting for up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 100 free email accounts, 5 mailboxes free for the first year, plus a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also upgrades you to daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce website builder, an AI website builder for WordPress, and includes a CDN for faster global performance. If you're planning to run an online store and need to accept payments, this plan is the ideal choice. The Cloud Startup plan builds on everything included in the Premium and Business plans and takes it to the next level. You get hosting for up to 100 websites with blazing fast 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 200 free email accounts, 10 mailboxes free for the first year, and a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also includes automatic website migration, a dedicated IP address for added security and performance and priority 24/7 expert support. Go ahead and click the Choose Plan button under the option you want to go with. You'll now be on the cart page. On the right hand side, you'll see a link that says Have a Coupon Code. Click on that, then paste in the Hostinger promo code I've included in the description below and hit Apply. You'll see the updated discount instantly, helping you save even more on your Hostinger web hosting. On the left side of the cart, under Period, you can choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind the free domain name is only included with the annual plans. For this tutorial, I'll go with the 12-month option. Next, click the Continue button to begin setting up your Hostinger account. You'll be prompted to register. Just enter your details and click Register when you're ready. After that, fill in your billing address information. If you selected an annual plan, you'll see that a free domain name is included, along with free domain privacy protection to keep your personal info safe. Once that's filled out, click Continue to move forward. Finally, enter your payment details. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of all the payment methods that Hostinger accepts, so you can choose what works best for you. One quick note, after completing your purchase, you'll be able to choose your free domain name if your plan includes one. You can also register a new domain or connect an existing one directly from your Hostinger dashboard. For this tutorial, I'll choose to pay by card and click the Submit Payment button. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt for the Hostinger purchase. You'll now land on the Who is this website for page. Just select the option that best fits your needs or click skip at the bottom if you'd rather move on without filling this out. I'll go ahead and click next. Now you'll see the create or migrate your website page. Choose the option that applies to you. I'll select create a website and then click next. Next, you'll be asked how you'd like to build your site. You can choose between WordPress, the hosting or website builder, or an empty PHP HTML site. For this tutorial, we're going with the hosting your website builder, so I'll select that and click next. Next, you'll land on the what domain do you want to use for this website page. Here, you can type in the domain name you want to use or enter a domain you already own. If you're not ready to pick a domain yet, simply click Use Temporary Domain at the bottom to get started right away with a temporary address. You'll now be taken to the Let AI Create a Website for You page. If you'd like to use AI to create your website, just input your brand name and a description about your company so that AI can create the best website based on your needs. You'd click Create a Website button for AI to begin creating your site. You'll see here underneath this, or pre-made templates and link in bio website. You can choose one of these options as well. I'll click pre-made templates as I want to go over all the hosting or website builder templates you can choose from. Whether you choose the pre-made templates or AI to create your site, you'll be using the same hosting or website builder, so the steps will be the same once I'm in the hosting or website builder of the site. You'll see a bunch of templates you can choose from. You can select the different pages here at the bottom to continue in viewing the templates. If you scroll up at the top, if you hover over a template, you can click Preview to view a preview of that template. Up at the top, you'll see the mobile icon. Click this to view a preview of what it will look like on mobile devices. Click Start Building if you want to choose this template. Click the All Templates button at the top left of the page to go back to the templates you can choose from. You'll see the different categories for the templates. Click a category and it'll list out templates for that category. One thing to keep in mind is that any template can be used for your website, no matter what category it's in or what it's called. You can easily customize and edit the template to fit your needs. Just choose one you like and then start making it your own. I'll click Popular Templates. You'll see this theme here called Presson. I'll use this template here for this tutorial. Up at the top, you can search the template name to pull it up this way as well. I'll click Select Template. A pop-up will now show where you can personalize text and images faster with AI. You can enter your brand name and a description if you'd like. Click the Personalize Template button to proceed. Or you can click the Use Original Template button to begin editing without any personalization. It'll now take you to the hosting or website builder where you can begin creating and editing your website. You'll see Website Builder up here in the top left. Click this, and from the drop-down, you can click the hosting or dashboard to easily get back to the hosting or dashboard. Now let's go over how to make edits to your site. If you click into a text on the page, click Edit Text, and you can then begin changing the text to what you'd like. You can also double-click on a text to change the text as well. You'll see you can change the text color if you'd like, the heading type, the font size. You can make the text bold, italic, underline, strike through. You can make the text a list. If you click the link icon, you'll see the link settings. If you click Page, from the drop-down, you can select how you'd like to link the text. If you select Page, you can then select a page from your current website. If you select Web Address, you can then move the toggle as you'd like to open the link in a new tab and make the link no follow. Click the Save button to save your changes. You can change the alignment of the text. If you click the More Options icon, you can make more changes to the text. If you click into the text, you can duplicate the text. If you click the trash can icon, you can delete the text. If you click the More icon, you can select different options for the text as well. To change an image on the page, just click into the image, click the Change Image icon. You can then select an image from your media library that's already been uploaded. To upload an image, click the Upload button here at the top. The image will then show in this area. If you want to rename an image, click the three dots icon. Click Rename, and you can rename the image to what you'd like. To delete the image, click the three dots icon and click Delete to remove the image. If you want to search for images to use, click Free Images. You can then type in what kind of image you are looking for, and it'll bring up images you can browse through and select from. I'll click My Library and click Select on an image I've already got uploaded to the Hosting Your Website Builder. You'll see the image is now showing. To make more edits to the image, click into the image and click Edit Image. You'll see you can replace the image here as well. You can put an alt text for the image here at the bottom. If you click Style, you can change the style of the image. Where you see opacity, you can drag this over to change the opacity of the image. If you click Action, you'll see On Click. From the drop-down, you can select something here if you'd like. If you click Shape, you can change the shape of the image. If you click Animation, you can make the image have an animation. I'll click the X button. I'll scroll down to the next section on the page. If you want to move something to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and you can move it to where you'd like it. If you want to edit a section, just click into the section. Click Edit Section. You'll be brought to the section settings. You'll see Background. If you click into the color, you can change the background color of the section. If you click Layout, you can change the layout of the section. I'll click Background. If you want to add a background image for the section, click Image. Click Add Image. You can then upload an image. Select an image already uploaded to the website builder, or click Free Images to search for a background to use for this section. I'll click My Library and I'll select an image I've already uploaded to the website builder. You'll see the background image is now shown. You'll see Overlay Opacity. You can change this to change the overlay of this background image. You can make the background image be a fixed background if you'd like. If you want to add something to the page, click Elements found in the left menu. You'll see different elements you can add to the page. Click what you want to add and drag it to where you'd like it. You'll see it's been added to the page, where you can edit it how you like. To edit a button, click into a button and click Edit Button. You'll be on the button settings. You'll see under General, Button Text is where you can change the button text to what you'd like. You'll see Link to Page. If you click this, from the drop-down, you can select how you'd like to link the button. You can choose to open the link for the button in a new tab. If you click Style, where you see Normal, you can change the button fill color. The text color, you can change the text font. You can change the text size. You can change the border color, width, and radius. If you click Hover, this is where you can make changes on the button hover. If you click Animation, you can add an animation to the button. I'll click the X button to exit the elements. If you want to add a section to the page, click Add Section where you want to add the new section. You can now choose from pre-made templates to use for the section. Over to the left, you'll see all the different categories you can choose from to bring up templates based on that. If you want to add a blank section and create it yourself without a template, click Add Blank Section, and it'll add a blank section where you can begin adding in elements like covered earlier. I'll click Services as an example for this tutorial. I'll choose this template here to add it. You'll see it's been added to the page, where you can begin editing it how you want it. If you want to move the section height, hover over the section and you'll see the section height icon showing here. Just move it up or down to move the section height. Now I want to go over how to edit and customize the contact form. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the site. You'll see the contact form showing here. Click into the form. Click Edit Form. You'll be on the form settings. You'll see under General, you can choose between Standalone Form or Connected Form. I'll keep Standalone Form selected. Scroll down and you can change the form name if you'd like. You can change the email to what you'd like for the email notifications for submissions. You'll see Submission List. This is where you can manage all form submissions. Click the View Submissions List button. You can view all the form submissions here. You can download the form submissions as well as delete any if you'd like, once you have some show up. I'm going to click the X button. I'll click into the contact form again and click Edit Form. If you click Fields, you'll see that you can add a new form field. If you click this, from the drop-down, you can select the form field you'd like for the form field. I'll select Single Choice as an example, and you'll see Single Choice showing here in the form. To move a form field to somewhere else, click the Move icon and you can move it to where you want it. To edit a form field, just click into the form field you want to edit. You can change the field label. You can change the placeholder text. Where you see field type, from the drop-down, you can select the field type that it is. If you scroll down, you can make this field a required field or not. If you want to remove the field, click the Remove Field button. If you click Button, you can change the button text. You can change the button position. You'll see when visitors submit a form, you can choose Show Message and type in the message you want to show. Or you can select Link to Page and select the page you want it to link to. If you click the Change Button Styles button, you can change the style of the button by colors, font size, and more. If you click Hover, you can change the style on the button hover. Under the Style section, where you see Customize Elements, click this, and from the drop-down, you can select what part of the form you want to change the style changes for. If you click Animation, you can make changes to the form to have an animation effect. I'll click the X button. You'll see the Ask Cody here in the bottom right of the editor. If you click this, you can ask it a question or how to do something. For example, I'll type in change font color. It'll tell you how to do that and provide a detailed guide showing you as well. I'll scroll up to the top of the page. To make changes to the logo, just click the logo. Click Replace Image to then upload your own logo, or choose a logo if you'd already uploaded it to the Hostinger website builder. You'll see you can change the logo width if you'd like. If you click Text, you can choose to have your logo show as text. You can change the name of the logo text. You can change the logo color. You can change the text font. You can change the logo font size. I'll click the X button. To make edits to the header area of your site, just click into the header area of your site. Click Edit Header. Under Layout, you can choose to have the header be sticky or not. You can change the spacing. You can change the look of the header if you'd like. If you click Elements, you can choose to show your logo or not. If you click Edit Logo, you can also edit your logo this way as well. I'll click Elements. You can choose to show social icons if you'd like. If you click Edit Social Icons, toggle social icons to on, and you can make changes to the social icons as needed. You can move them around how you like. Click the Settings icon to edit the social media icon, or click Delete to remove that social icon. You can change the icon size and color. If you click Hover, you can change the icon color on Hover. I'll click Elements. You can choose to show a button if you'd like. If you click Edit Button, you can change the button text. You can choose how you want to link the button. You can open it in a new tab or not. You can change the field color, text font, text size, border color, and width and radius. If you click Hover, you can make changes on the button Hover. If you click Style at the top, from the drop-down, you can select what you want to change the styling for. This will be what we just covered, just a different way to get to each. Now let's go over how to edit the footer of your website. I'll scroll down to the footer area of your site. If you click into the footer section, click Edit section, you'll see under Background Color, you can change the color of the footer. If you click Image, you can upload an image to use for the footer. If you click Video, you can add a video to use for the footer. You can move the opacity over to change the opacity. When you make changes to your site, if you want to see a preview of your site, click Preview here at the top. It'll bring up a preview of your site. To make your changes go live, click the Go Live button. Once your site is live, to update changes, click the Update Website button to update your changes. You can undo and redo changes here. The desktop icon lets you make edits as shown on desktop. If you click the mobile icon, you can make edits and see what it looks like on mobile devices. Next, let's go over how to change the website styles of your site. Click Styles in the left side menu. You'll see under Colors, you can change the colors for things here on your site. It tells you how many times it's used across your site. To change the color, click into it. Click Select. You can then change the color. Click the Accept button to make the changes. If you click Fonts, you can change the font for your site. If you click Buttons, you can change the look of the buttons to be used on your site. If you click Animations, you can choose an animation style to be used on all the elements on your site. Now let's go over the menu on your site and how to customize the navigation. Click Pages in the left side menu. You'll see Main Navigation. These are all the pages in the navigation. To move something to a different order, just click it and you can move it to where you want it. If you want to add a subcategory to show under a menu, for example, you'll see Projects here. If you click it, you'll see the different subcategories showing. You'll see under Projects the subcategories showing here. You'll notice they are shifted to the right. That is how to have a subcategory show in the menu. If you want something to be hidden in the navigation, you can click it and move it down here. Where you see Hidden from Navigation, to unhide it, just move it up to the main navigation. If you want a Coming Soon page to display on your site while you create your site, just toggle this on next to Coming Soon, and a Coming Soon page will display. Toggle it off to turn it off. If you click the three dots next to the page, it'll give you lots of options you can choose from for the page. At the bottom, you can add a new drop-down to the menu. If you click Add Link, you can put the name of it here. Under Link To, you can choose how you want to link to it. You can choose to open the link in a new tab or hide the page. Click Save. You'll see it's been added to the menu. If you want to add a page to your site, click the Add Page button. You can choose to add a new empty page. You can select the type of page you want to add, and it'll pull up pre-made templates you can use for the page. Select one, then you can edit the page settings and click Save to add the page to your site. To edit a different page on your site, just click the page here, and it'll bring it up to where you can begin making edits. If you want to add a blog to your site, click Pages in the left side menu. Click Add Page, you'll see Blog. Click this, you'll see the blog page showing here. Click it, you'll see the different page settings for the blog here. You'll see the blog page showing here. You'll see Blog over here in the left side menu. Click this to go to this blog page to manage your blog. You see that you can view all your blog posts, drafts, scheduled and published blog posts. If you click the three dots next to the post, it'll give you options you can select from. To edit the blog post, click into the post you want to edit. It'll show you the blog post, and you can begin editing it as you would like the other pages. If you click the settings icon, it'll show you the blog categories. To add a new one, click Add New Category. Type in the category name you want. Click the check mark, and it'll show it as a category. Click the settings icon next to it to edit, duplicate, or delete the category. To add a new blog post, click Add New Post. You can then begin creating your blog post. If you want to add a store to your website, click Store in the left side menu. Click Add Store. You'll see the store page has been added to your site, as well as options here in the menu. If you click Store in the left side menu, you'll see all the different store options you can choose from under Store Management. If you click the three dots icon here, you can remove the store if you don't want it on your site. If you click Manage Store, input the name of your online store. Click Continue. It'll then give you steps to finish setting up your store. If you click Add Product, you can then add the type of product you want to add. I'll select a physical product as an example. You can then upload your product images. You can input the title, ribbon, subtitle, and a description. If you scroll down, you can add the price and details for the product. You can add additional info sections here for your products if you'd like. You'll see options here. Click Add Option. You can choose the size, color, material, etc. I'll type in size as an example. Next, input the selections for this option. I'll input small as an example. Click Add New to add new selections for this option. Once done, click Save. Scroll down and you can add a custom field if you'd like. You'll see categories. Click Add New Category to add a category for the product. Type in what you want the category to be. For example, I can input clothes. Click Add to add it. Next, you'll see Related Products. If you select Related Products, you can change the section title like You May Also Like or to whatever you'd like. If you select the drop-down under Category, you can choose the category for the products to show. Click the Save button to save your changes. We are now taken to the Store Manager for your site. You can easily add a product here. You can import products. You can view products here. If you click the three dots next to the product, you can edit it, duplicate it, or delete it. If you click Categories, you can add new categories or edit and view current categories. If you click Product Reviews, you can turn on product reviews for your store. If you click Appointments, you can set up appointments. Discounts allow you to add discounts to your products in store. Analytics will show the analytics of your sales and store info. Integrations allows you to add integrations to your site. If you click Orders, it'll list out all your orders for your store. If you click Settings, you can add store details like store name and regional settings like currency and measurement system. Company information allows you to input your company information. If you click Payments, you'll see your company location here at the top. Select your company location. You'll see all the different ways you can accept payments. Scroll down. You'll see Manual Payment. Select this if you want to accept payments made outside your online store. If you click Shipping, you'll see Create Zone. Click this. You want to enter the name of the shipping zone. Where you see countries, click Add Country to select the countries for that shipping zone. You can select all or select one or several for this option. Click the Save button when you are done. After you do that, you'll see shipping options. Click Add Option. You can now add a shipping option like standard shipping or 2-day shipping, for example. Next, input a shipping cost if you'd like, or leave it as is for free shipping. If you want to add conditions, click Add Conditions. You can then put in a minimum and maximum order price for this or by order weight. Click Add to add the condition. If you click Checkout, you'll see Shopping Bag Settings. You can show additional product suggestions in Shopping Bag if you'd like. You'll see Checkout Policies. You can select to have terms and conditions in Privacy Policy show. If you scroll down to Custom Options, you can choose to require a phone number at checkout and add a custom field to the checkout if you'd like. You'll see the store language showing here. You can change this if you'd like. If you click Emails, you'll see all the different options showing. Next to one, click Preview to preview what that email will look like. Next, if you click Taxes, click Add Tax Rules. You can now input the tax region. You'll see under Rule, you can name the tax rule. Under Countries, click Add Country. You can select a country, all countries, or select several countries. Click Save to save your changes. Scroll down to the rate. You can add your tax name here, and then input the sales tax amount here. You'll see you can choose to apply taxes to shipping cost or not. Click Save to save your changes. If you click Invoices, you'll see the Invoices preview. You'll see you can change the title here if you'd like. This shows here. You'll see the next invoice number. The numbers are unique and increase each time an invoice is sent out. You can change the number here if you'd like. If you scroll down, you can add additional information if you'd like. You'll see Other. You can choose to show your email or not. Be sure to save your changes if you make changes anywhere. To go back to the editor of your site, click the Edit Website button here at the top. It'll bring us back to the editor for the page. If you click AI Tools in the left side menu, you can choose from a bunch of AI tools to help you create your site quickly and easily. Depending on the plan you chose, you're limited in credits to use here. Next, let's go over the SEO of your site. Click More in the left side menu. Click SEO Settings. Next, click a page you want to do the SEO for. You'll see the search result preview here. You can choose to hide the page from search results if you'd like. You can add a focus keyword that you want the page to rank for. You can input the SEO title and the meta description. You can change the page URL if you'd like. You'll see here at the bottom, it'll give you some suggestions to make the on-page SEO of your site better. If you click Website Overview, if you click Edit here, you can change the business or brand name and language of the site. I'll click the X button. You'll see improvements here, showing with the different pages on your site. If you click one, you can then make changes to the SEO for the page. Now let's go over more settings for the website builder. If you click More in the left side menu, you'll see different options you can choose from. You can add a blog to your website. If you want to accept appointments on your site, you can add appointments. If you click General Settings, you'll see Favicon. Click this and you can add your own favicon to your site. If you click Link Preview Image, you can upload your own image that will show for the link preview image of your site. If you click Cookie Banner, you can enable a cookie banner for your site along with changing the message that shows for this. You can choose to toggle on using www at the beginning of your website address. You'll see Web2 Agent. Once your domain is connected and your site is published live, you can choose to toggle this on if you'd like. I'll click More in the left side menu. If you click Integrations, you'll see the different integrations you can add to your site. If you click Form Submissions, you can add a subscribe form if you'd like. If you click Analytics, once your site is published, you can access the analytics of your site. If you click Media Library, you can access the images uploaded to the website builder or upload images here. If you click Multi-Language, you can add multiple languages to your site. If you click Manage Backups, you can view the backups of your site. If you click Restore Backup under a backup, it'll restore your site to that backup. If you click Export Content to WordPress, you can export your content to WordPress if you'd like. If your domain name isn't connected to your site, you can click Connect Domain at the top. Click Change Domain, and you can begin connecting a domain to your site. That's it. You now know how to access professional pre-made templates with the Hosting Your Website Builder, how to create your website, and how to customize it with the easy drag and drop editor. That wraps up my Hosting Your Website Builder tutorial, showing you step by step how to build your website with Hostinger Web Hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below to let us know. It really helps us improve our content. And don't forget to subscribe for more Hostinger Web Hosting tutorials.